Welcome to this lesson where I'm teaching you some common expressions, translating them from Shona to Ndebele. Let's get started, shall we? Urikutswagei, in Ndebele you're going to say udingani. Murikutswagei, lidingani. Okay. How about urikutswagei papo? Udingani konapo. And here are examples of answers to that question. Okay? Ndirikutswaga imba, ngidinga indlu ngesindebele. Ndirikutswaga shikafu, ngidinga ukudla. Alright? Ndirikutswaga mvura, ngidinga amanzi. And here is a common one amongst Harare people. Ndirikutswaga mari. Okay? In Ndebele we say the same thing. We say ngidinga imali. Alright? So you hear people saying something like Ndirumbo enda ku town kunotswaga mari. In Ndebele they say the same thing. Ngisaya edolobheni ukuyodinga imali. Okay. Hande asihambe. Alright, so that's how we write it. Asihambe. However, people normally pronounce it as asambe. You kind of don't pronounce the H, just say asambe. Alright? Similarly, handei becomes asambeni. Okay. For example, handei kukereke, asambeni esontweni. Or handei kudoroba, asambeni edolobheni. Handei kushkoro, asambeni esikolo. Making sense? Alright, here's a question. Urikuyendephi? In Ndebele you ask it like this. Uyangaphi. And then murikuyendephi becomes liyangaphi. Okay. Tirikuyenda kumusha, siya ekhaya. Tirikuyenda kumunda, siya emasimini. Okay? Tirikuyenda kwanachipo, siya kosipho. Okay. So we translated everything there, including the name. All right. And then if you wanted to answer it for yourself, just you, and you're like, ndirikumboyenda ku UK, in Ndebele you say, nisaya e UK. Anditka. Mosarazwa kanaka. Lisale kuhle. Wosarazwa kanaka. Usale kuhle. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope uyafunda isiNdebele. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you're enjoying this. And bye for now.